This is the result. Ooh, look delicious. Ooh la la. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will share about how to make simple dinner recipe. This recipe for 4 persons. These the ingredients I will use it. Let's start. 150 gram lettuce, 1 piece cucumber, pepper, salt, sesame oil, 2 pieces garlic, 1 red onion, 8 pieces egg, little bit water, olive oil, herbs butter, 150 gram tiny slices bacon, 8 pieces whole grain bread. First we will cook the egg. Add some water like this. Put a little bit salt, a pinch salt. Cook it. So we will cook this egg. Cut this bread. I will upload the video every Monday and Wednesday. So spread the herbs butter in the bread to make tasty, delicious before we put in the oven. Switch on the oven for 180 degrees. Sweeten the water. We will put this bread in the oven just for 5 minutes. We'll cut this. Some oil, little bit pepper, salt, mix it. ready. The egg is ready. Let's open the fire. Potato. Let it cool it down. This person. Delicious. Not too salt. That's very good. At the stove, like this, the olive oil, I don't use too much oil, it's better, just a little bit olive oil, that's more healthy like that. And then the bacon. We will take it out. This bread. So I'm gonna put it here. So it's simple, right? This is the recipe for today. Simple dinner, delicious and healthy. Ooh. Enjoy your meal. If you like my recipe, please subscribe, like and share. Have you seen my video before? Please take a look to my other video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and hope to see you on my next video. Have a great day. Bye. This is the result. Ooh, look delicious. Delicious, super tasty. It's so simple, easy, and so delicious, and also healthy. It helps butter in. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you and in my next video. Have a good day.